When you drive a Toyota Tundra, you expect strength, precision, and reliability. At Nucar Toyota of North Attleboro, we make sure your truck gets the same, with 100% genuine Toyota OEM parts and accessories. Your Tundra deserves protection, precision, and pride to keep performing at its best mile after mile. With products like skid plates defending what's underneath, to the floor mats protecting the inside from debris. Don't forget about the console safe to secure your valuables, or the bed step giving you a steady boost when it counts. Let Nucar Toyota of North Attleboro make your Tundra truly yours, adding style, capability, and value that lasts. Nucar Toyota of North Attleboro, expert help for your Tundra, only a text away.